Come test drive the 2023 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.